Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got another little package in the mail today. Picked up some more precious metals. As you can tell by the size of the package, it's not much, but still pretty cool. You know, sometimes you just got to get it a little bit at a time, especially with today's prices. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, let's just see if I can cut it open right here. Cut it with the scissors. I don't know if there will be anything inside, so I'm going to take a quick peek. And this is what's inside. Big one. Bert the little one. Pretty cute. Alright, why don't we open this up on this side. See what we have. Let's get my knife out for this one. Right up in there. Alright. Here we go. She's a tiny little thing, but she's a beaut. Let's want to take a look. And here it is. It's one of the Prospector 1/10 gold coins. 2020. Been getting some of the 2020 stuff. Look at that, huh? For those of you who don't know, Prospector's Gold and Gems is out of Colorado. They make these things out of Colorado gold that is mined out there. Back's pretty cool on them. See? 24 karat fine gold, 999 plus. 0.10 troy ounces, so 1/10 of an ounce. Is that thing cool or what? 24 karat gold. So, pure gold. No copper, no silver in this thing. I've got a couple other years of these. 2016, 2017 maybe, 2017, 2018, I don't know. Got them put them away. Yeah, 2020. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus. And a little too close. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, one more look at that back. Let's see how these are oriented. So I flip this around like this. Nope. Gotta have it like this. And then flip it like this. So you can see Prospector's Gold and Gems around the side and the top. Alright, so one of the things I want to do. Is I wanted to test this with my Sigma machine, because in the past the Prospector's Gold and Gems has not tested well with the Sigma machine. I'm confident they're 24 karat gold. They're a very respectable company in my humble opinion. There's videos out there about it, and these are very popular. A lot of people buy these things. In fact, I got this off of Facebook. The guy had sold 100 of them. By the time he was done, he sold 100 of them. So let's turn the power on. Let's push run calibrate. And it's on pure gold, 999. Now we can't use this. If we try to use this, we know it's not going to pass, because this circle it has to fill that entire black circle. So you can see here that it's way off the charts. So we expect that because it doesn't fill that black circle. Let's go over to the wand. You can see here the wand light's lit up. And let's see what happens when we do this. Oh, you see that? Oops, cord's covering it. See if we can turn this light down a little bit. That's a little better. So yeah, we put it on there. It's right within those brackets. So that's good. I know there was some big YouTuber a while back that was thinking this was fake, and then the owner, David, of Prospector's Gold and Gems, had posted kind of a follow-up video talking about his gold and how he measures it. And again, this is pulled out of the mountains of Colorado, I believe, this gold, which makes it pretty cool. Yeah, you can see right in the middle there. So Nice, huh? Tests out perfect. This is 24 karat gold. Let's see, do I have another selection for anything higher? Let me see. 90 American Eagle, Cougarin, Britannia. So the highest we can measure is 999 plus, which ironically it says on this coin. It's not a coin. On this round, it says 999 plus on it. Oops, you always got to hit the uncalibrate button. Put it right in the middle there. Well, it depends on what you hit to because it needs a solid surface. So you can see it's perfect there. And it can be anywhere in those brackets because of the different compositions and the way that it sets up. And this side's a lot better. So there you go, huh? Perfect gold coin. So you can see right up here, right at the 2 o'clock, it says 999 plus. See that? 10th troy ounce, 24 karat fine gold. Not sure what's in these little circles here. Let me get my loop and see if I can tell what's in there. It's pretty small. This one over here says EM in that little circle. And this one over here says DC. But yeah, pretty nice, huh? Got another 10th ounce gold for the stack. Gotta love that. Alright, well that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.